Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about what is meant by encapsulation. Wrapping up of data and function into a single unit is called encapsulation. We know class have data members and class have member functions. So combining these two and making that into a single unit is called encapsulation. Right? Now let us see the encapsulation example. See here, I have a class students. Inside that I have a constructor, and inside that constructor I am passing name, rank, points. Now self.name is equal to name, self.rank is equal to rank, self.points is equal to points. Now these name, rank, points are variables, and this self.name and self.rank, self.points are data members. Fine. Now I am defining another member function called demo func. Okay, inside that I'm writing print I am self.name, print I got rank self.rank. Fine. Now I'm creating four objects. First object is name is Manoj and rank is 1 and points is 100, and object 2 is Sriram 2 and 90 means its point, and Pirai is the name and 3 is the rank and 76 is the points. Saravana is the name and 4 is the rank and 60 is the points. Fine. Now I am creating four objects. Let me take this in paint. Just wait now. I have created four objects. Fine. Object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4. It is student 1, student 2, student 3, and it is student 4. Fine. Now what are the data members are in the class, that is in object currently created these objects. Okay, see here, I have name, I have rank, I have points. Now what is the name of the first object? It is Manoj and rank is 1 and 100. So it's Manoj, rank is 1 and points is 100. Now second is Sriram, rank is 2 and something 96, sorry 90. Now Pirai, rank 3, what is the points? It's 76. So it's 76. Saravana 4 and 60. Saravana 4, 60. These are the data members present in ST1, ST2, ST3, ST4, right? Now what are the member function present here? Only one member function, that is demo func. Okay, so I'm writing this. Inside that we have demo func in every one of the objects, right? Demo func. Here also we have demo func member function. So this is the way we use to represent the object. Okay, it is easier to understand what are the data members are there, what are the member function are there. See here, I have told you that encapsulation means wrapping up of data members and member function. We wrap right into single unit in all object, right? So this is the example of encapsulation. Now I'm going to print st1.demo function, st2.demo function, st3.demo function, and st4.demo function. What will be printed? I am Manoj, I got rank 1 for the first object, right? And for second object, I am Sriram, I got rank 2, right? And for third object, I am Pirai, I got rank 3, right? For fourth object, I will get I am Saravana, I got rank 4, right? So this is the output. See here. Let me once again run this. So it will be the output. Just connecting. Fine. Okay. Now going to the second example. See here, it is example number 2. It's based on the dogs and their breeds. Now, just see here, class dog. Inside that I have constructor. Inside that I am passing 3 variables: breed, color, age. Self.breed is equal to breed. Self.color is equal to color. Self.age is equal to age. So we have 3 data members, right? Now, def to print of self, print self.breed, print self.color, print self.age. So this is the member function. Now, I am creating an object called German Shepherd is equal to dog of German Shepherd, comma weight, comma 6. So the object will be created and the constructor will initialize these values to the data members. Fine. Let me write this in Paint. Just see here. Okay. Now I have a first object called German Shepherd. German Shepherd. Inside that I have a name called German Shepherd, and then color is white and age is 6. Color is white and age is 6. This is the data member, and whether we have a member function, yes, to print. So we have to print. So to print is the member function. This is the object 1. Now next object. What is the next object? Labrador and black and 2. So Labrador is the name, and then black is the color data member, and 2 is the age of the data member. Okay, now it too have member function. Fine. These are the 2 objects I have created recently. Okay. Now I'm just printing German Shepherd dot to print and Labrador dot to print. What are the lines I have given inside that member function? Print self dot breed, print self dot color, print self dot age. So see here, first when I am going for this function, what is the breed of the currently object? It is German Shepherd. So German Shepherd will be printed first. Now what is the color? It is white. What is the age? It is 6. It is for this object. This object, the member function will print this. And for this object, the member function prints for like Labrador, black and 2. This is the output. Fine. Let me check here. See here. Understood? Now next one is, it is something more important than the previous 2 examples, creating many number of objects. As we seen before, we have created like 2, 3 objects, but when user gives n objects, like if there is a classroom and there are 57 members and we want to provide 57 objects, right? Total number of students. So for this, we will get the input n from user to denote how many objects we want to create. Okay, then we will create them in array of objects. Fine. Now let me see this example. Class dog. Inside that I have a constructor, like it have breed, color, age, and we will assign self.breed is equal to breed, self.color is equal to color, self.age is equal to age. So we have 3 data member. Okay, now to print is the member function, and inside that I am printing the breed, color and age of that object. Okay, that specific dog. Now n is equal to int of input of enter the number of dogs. Okay, I have got the input from the user how many dogs we want to create. Okay, that is how many objects we want to create. Now obj underscore dog is equal to 0 into n. So I have initialized total number of n capacity of list, which is pre-initialized with 0. Now I am writing for I in range of n, breed is equal to input of enter the breed. I have got the breed and I have got a color and I have got a age. for the 1 by 1 dog. Okay, then obj dog of I is equal to dog of breed comma color comma age. Now I am printing by using the toPrint member function. Okay, now just see here, when the value of I is 0, the first object is created, right? When the object is 1, the second object is created. When object is 2, the third object is created, right? Like that, one by one the object is created inside that list, and when we are iterating again to this list, and when we are invoking that member function, we will get the result by printing the breed, color and age of the dog, right? That same example, the second example, but here I have done for only 2 objects. Here we are doing for n objects, right? Now enter the number of dog. I have entered 3. First one is German Shepherd, and its color is white, and its age is 6. So as we mentioned here, the same is created now. The same is created now. Okay. Now second, Labrador black 3. This object is created now. Okay. Now third dog is Lhasa Apso, and it's brown, and its age is 2. Let me create here. Here it is 3. Here it is 3. Now currently in previous program I have written 2, but in current program we have created these 2 same objects. That's why I am correcting here. Okay. Now here another is Lhasa Apso. Okay. Lhasa Apso is the name, brown is the color, 2 is the age, and we have to print member function 2. Okay. Now what are the data members are printed? First self.name, then self.color, then self.age. So output will be Lhasa Apso brown 2. Fine. So this will be the output, right? See here. This will be the output. Breed first German Shepherd, then color is white, then age is 6. Now first object's iteration is completed. Now first object is completed, the member function toPrint. Okay. Now second object's member function toPrint is executed. Then third object member function got executed. Now this 3 will be stored like, see here, this 3 will be stored like a list of size 3. List of size 3, and here will be the German Shepherd object. German Shepherd object, this object, and here will be Labrador object, and here will be Lhasa Apso object. Fine. It is clear. This is the way we can create n number of objects using this list concept. Fine. So this is the basics of all encapsulation. Thank you.